guys, I'm Bridget and this is Camille with Keller Williams Realty and Realist Homes, and we are super excited to welcome you to one of our newest listings at 124 Yacht Basin Landing out in Hampstead.
It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a huge bonus room. The master suite sits downstairs. It's conveniently located in a cul-de-sac, minutes to North Topsail and walking distance to Kiwanis Park.
And not only is the location amazing, but as you go inside, you're going to see all of the upgraded features. Take a look inside.
Taking the tour of our beautiful new listing.
And if you guys have any questions or like further details, just give us a call.